Hello, it's Dana Freeman back here, and we're going to see what happens when you put a grape in the microwave. So first, find your grape.
This is what happens when your mom's away.
Yeah, she doesn't know that we put a grape in the microwave in my park.
Dad tries to burn the house down.
Do not try this at home.
No, we're about to.
It's because we're dumb. We're idiots. Oh, jeez. Yeah, we're idiots. So you have to bite it in half.
And then I keep it connected. Why not?
Keep it connected by a little thread. And hold on. Not yet. I need to. So, I just wanted to give you a good view, so I'm going to step on the stool.
Okay. Yeah.
Yep, let's go. This is what happens. You hear that? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, fire, 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 fire. Fire, fire, fire. Oh, it's smoking like crazy. It's not nice. Don't smell it. It's melted. Ew, this grape.
Want to smell?
No.
Okay.
Viewers, if you want to see what it smells like, please do this at home. Or do not, because it's stupid.
Let me cool it off.
Yeah, so it don't burn the house down. So we need to cool it off.
Ew, it's squishy.
Ew, let me feel.
What?
Ugh. It feels like jelly.
Uh-oh, Mom's calling. Maybe I got in trouble. Hello. Hi.
You don't get in trouble. Oh my god. Okay, do not try this at home. You'll get in trouble. Especially if you're a kid. It's just for YouTube. We're dumb.
What? Oh, he sounds like, oh.
Okay, I'm gonna stop the video here. This is serious. I hope we don't get in trouble for this. And yeah, we might get in trouble. So if I put this on YouTube, feel sorry for me. Bye.